Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Bench. I'm Grace, and this is Episode 10.
Episode 10. Jack here, and this is a milestone. Double digits. 10 episodes in, and our listeners have learned to greet people, introduce themselves, describe their routines, talk about likes and dislikes, shop in English, ask for directions, use past tense, tell stories, and plan the future. That is a huge amount of real English.
And the comments have been incredible every single week. We are so grateful for every one of you who has been here from the beginning. And if you are joining us for the first time, welcome. You can still follow along perfectly today.
And to celebrate episode 10, we chose the most delicious topic possible. Today, we are going to a restaurant.
Delighted! I have been looking forward to this episode for weeks. Restaurant English is one of the most practical skills there is because food is universal. Everyone goes to restaurants. Everyone needs to order in English at some point.
And honestly, walking into a restaurant where English is the language and not knowing what to say can be one of the most stressful experiences for a language learner. Today, we are removing all of that stress.
Teaching. By the end of this episode, you will be able to arrive at a restaurant, read the menu, order your food, handle any problems, and pay the bill, all completely in English. Let's start.
Curious, Grace. We walk into the restaurant. What happens first?
Teaching. The host or hostess, the person at the entrance, will greet you. They will usually say something like, "Hello, welcome. Do you have a reservation?"
Teaching. And the two main answers are, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Let's practice both.
Demonstrating yes reservation. Yes, I have a reservation for 2 under the name Grace.
Demonstrating, no, we don't have a reservation. Do you have a table for 2 available?
Teaching. If you don't have a reservation, they might ask how long you're willing to wait. You can say, "We don't mind waiting," or "How long is the wait?" Or, "Is there anything available sooner?"
Teaching. Once you're seated, the waiter will come over. They'll introduce themselves and usually say, "Hi, my name is Jack, and I'll be taking care of you tonight. Can I start you off with some drinks?"
Teaching. Start you off with. This is a very common American English phrase, meaning "what would you like first" as the beginning of your meal.
Demonstrating, ordering drinks. Could we have some water to start, please? And I'll take a look at the menu. I might want a cocktail in a moment.
Teaching. Could we have? Very polite plural request. I'll take a look. Natural phrase, meaning I want to read the menu. I might want. Uncertainty with might.
Transitional. Now, the menu itself. Let's talk about restaurant vocabulary that comes up on menus everywhere.
Teaching. Most restaurant menus are divided into sections. Starters or appetizers, these are small dishes at the beginning of the meal. Main course or entree, the main dish. Sides, extra dishes like fries or salad. Desserts, sweet dishes at the end.
And drinks, non-alcoholic beverages and alcoholic beverages. The drinks menu is sometimes separate.
Teaching. Common menu terms. Grilled means cooked on a grill over high heat. Baked means cooked in an oven. Fried means cooked in oil. Steamed means cooked with steam. Roasted means cooked slowly in an oven until golden.
And for level of cooking, rare, medium, medium well, well done. These are for steaks and burgers. Rare means very pink inside. Well done means fully cooked through.
Teaching. If you're not sure what something on the menu is, you can always ask the waiter, "Excuse me, what is the daily special?" Or, "Could you tell me what this dish contains?"
Teaching. What do you recommend is one of the most useful questions. Waiters love being asked, and they'll usually steer you toward the best dishes.
Transitional. Now, the full role play. Scene 1. I'm the customer. Jack is the waiter. We're in a lovely American restaurant. Waiter voice, warm, professional.
Good evening. Welcome to the Golden Fork. My name is Jack, and I'll be taking care of you tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Customer voice, polite. Yes, please. Could I have a sparkling water? And could I see the cocktail menu?
Waiter, of course, here you are. Do you have any questions about the menu?
Customer, curious. Actually, yes. What's the daily special tonight?
Waiter, enthusiastic. Tonight's special is pan-seared sea bass with roasted vegetables and a lemon butter sauce. It's really popular.
Customer, interested. That sounds wonderful. Is it spicy at all?
Waiter, not spicy at all. It's actually quite mild and delicate.
Perfect. I'd like to start with the Caesar salad, please. And for my main, I'll have the sea bass special.
Excellent choice. And how would you like that cooked?
Medium, please.
Perfect. Any sides with that?
Could I have the seasonal vegetables as a side, please?
Of course. I'll put that in for you right away. Let me know if you need anything else.
Did you hear all the polite phrases? Could I have, I'd like, I'll have, all used naturally in one ordering conversation. And I asked about the special and whether it was spicy, key questions before ordering.
And notice how the waiter asked follow-up questions. How would you like it cooked? Any sides? These are standard waiter questions. Knowing what's coming means you won't be caught off guard.
Transitional. Now, problematic ordering. Because sometimes things don't go perfectly at a restaurant, and knowing how to handle it politely in English is a really important skill.
Problem 1. The wrong order arrives. You can say, "Excuse me, I think there might be a mistake. I ordered the salmon, but I seem to have received the chicken."
Notice, I think there might be a mistake. Very polite, not "you brought the wrong thing." Soft language for a potentially awkward situation.
Problem 2. The food is cold. You can say, "Excuse me, I'm sorry to mention this, but this dish seems to be cold. Would it be possible to have it heated up?"
Problem 3. You want something you didn't order. You can say, "Actually, could I change my order? I haven't decided yet between the two."
The key in all complaint situations, always start with "excuse me," be polite, use soft language like "I think," "I seem to have," "it appears." You catch more flies with honey.
Now, Jack's problematic ordering scene. Jack is the customer, I'll be the waiter. Good evening, are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. Actually, what do you recommend? I literally cannot decide.
Our most popular dish tonight is the truffle pasta. It's incredible.
Truffle pasta. Okay, yes, I'll have that. Actually, wait, is it very rich?
It is quite rich, yes.
Maybe something lighter. Could I have the grilled chicken instead?
Of course, the grilled chicken. Any sides?
Yes, fries please. And actually, could I also have a small salad?
Of course. And to drink?
Oh, actually, I changed my mind. I'd like the truffle pasta after all. Life is short.
The truffle pasta. Of course, I'll put that in for you.
I'm sorry, I'm always like this at restaurants.
That was honestly a perfect demonstration of how to politely change your order multiple times. And the waiter handled it beautifully. Patience is key.
And notice, "I changed my mind" is a very natural phrase. I'll have that instead. Could I change my order? All polite ways to handle indecision.
If you're enjoying episode 10, please like the video and subscribe to the Speak Bench. Leave your dream meal order in the comments. We love reading them.
Transitional. Now, the end of the meal, paying the bill. This is another area where people get nervous in English.
When you're ready to leave, you call the waiter over and say, "Could we have the bill, please?" Or "Can we get the check?" Bill is more common in British English. Check is more common in American English.
If you want to split the bill, "Could we split the bill, please?" Or "Could we pay separately?" Or "Can I pay for my half?"
And if someone else is paying, they might say, "I've got this," or "This one's on me," or "Please let me, I insist."
Tipping. In America, tipping 15 to 20% is standard and expected. In the UK, it's more optional. If you're happy with the service, you can say, "Please keep the change," or "Could you add a 15% tip to the card payment?"
And if the service was exceptional, you might say, "The service was wonderful tonight. Please pass our compliments to the kitchen."
Demonstrating paying scene. Excuse me, could we get the check, please? We'd like to pay by card.
Of course. Here you are. Was everything okay this evening?
Everything was absolutely delicious, thank you. Could you add a 20% tip to the card, please?
Of course. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Was everything okay this evening? This is a standard closing question. Your answer can be, yes, everything was lovely, or it was delicious, or we had a wonderful time.
Transitional. Common mistakes in restaurant English. Ready?
Nervous student. I want the pasta, please.
Technically correct, but sounds a bit abrupt in a restaurant. In English restaurants, we prefer softer language. Instead, say, "I'd like the pasta, please," or "Could I have the pasta?"
Correcting. I'd like the pasta, please. Could I have the pasta?
Much more polite. Try another.
Nervous student. The bill. Please bring it.
The word order is off. Say, "Could you bring the bill, please?" Or "Could we have the bill?"
Correcting. Could you bring the bill, please? Could we have the bill?
Perfect. One more.
Nervous student. This food is not hot. It is cold food.
The meaning is clear, but it sounds too direct for a restaurant complaint. Say, "Excuse me, I think this dish might be a bit cold. Would it be possible to heat it up?"
Correcting. Excuse me, I think this dish might be a bit cold. Would it be possible to heat it up?
Perfect. Polite, soft, respectful. That is how you handle restaurant problems in English.
Rapid fire. I'll give you a restaurant situation. You give me the right phrase.
Go.
You arrive without a reservation.
We don't have a reservation. Do you have a table for two available?
The waiter asks what you want to drink.
Could I have a sparkling water, please? And could I see the cocktail menu?
You want to know what's in a dish before ordering.
Excuse me, could you tell me what this dish contains, and is it spicy at all?
You're ready to order your main course.
For my main, I'd like the grilled salmon, please, and could I have the seasonal vegetables as a side?
The wrong dish arrives.
Excuse me, I think there might be a mistake. I ordered the salmon, but I seem to have received the chicken.
You're ready to pay.
Could we have the bill, please? We'd like to pay by card, and could you add a 15% tip?
6 for 6. Every answer, polite, natural, perfect restaurant English.
Pause the video and practice. Imagine you're in your dream restaurant. Order a full meal. Starter, main, side, dessert, drink. Say it all out loud using today's phrases.
Your confidence in a real restaurant will be completely different after this practice. The phrases will come naturally because your mouth has done them already.
Reflective. Jack, we covered arriving and reservations, menu vocabulary, 3 ordering structures, questions before ordering, 2 full role plays, handling problems politely, paying and tipping, common mistakes, and rapid-fire practice.
Proud episode 10, complete. And what a milestone. 10 episodes of real English A to Z, and we're just getting started.
Challenge. Your challenge this week, order your dream meal in the comments. Full order, starter, main, side, drink, dessert. Use "I'd like," "Could I have," and "For my main, I'll have." Show us everything.
Series reminder, episode 11 is coming next week, talking about your family. We're going to describe the people we love in English.
Warm to listeners. Thank you so much for being here for episode 10. You are amazing. Subscribe, like, and share with someone who wants to order confidently in any restaurant in the world.
Warm to listeners, I'm Jack from the Speak Bench, where real conversations meet real English.
Signing off, and I'm Grace. See you in episode 11. Goodbye, everyone.
Final, goodbye, and may every meal you order in English be absolutely delicious.